Today we're going to be taking a look at the latest security camera from Eufy, the Eufy S3 Pro Cam Kit. And this kit includes two S3 Pro cameras and the HomeBase S380. The S3 Pro stands out with its 4K recording and exceptional color night vision. It also features a large built-in battery and a large integrated solar panel designed to keep the camera continuously powered. It also comes with one external solar panel for extra positioning flexibility. And of course, this still upholds Eufy's promise of no monthly fees to use the software. This is also compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Apple Home. So let's go ahead and dive right in and find out if this is a security camera for you. The kit comes in a pretty large box and is quite hefty. Inside you will find the two security cameras neatly packed, and underneath you will find the S380 Hub. And underneath this is a smaller box containing a security sticker and the user manual. In the other smaller box you will find 3 mounting brackets, and in that same box you will find 3 positioning guides and the screws needed to mount the cameras. In the last box you will find the 3-watt external solar panel. These cameras are significantly larger compared to the Eufy Cam 2 that I currently own, as you can see from the size comparison. On the top there's a large solar panel that's 50% bigger than the one on the Eufy Cam 3. This larger solar panel is efficient enough to fully charge the massive 13,000 mAh battery with just 1 hour of sunlight, which is pretty impressive. Thanks to the SolarPlus 2.0 technology, the camera can even start charging on less than ideal lighting conditions. While the charging speed may be slower, it will still gather enough energy to keep the battery topped off. On the front of the Eufy S3 Pro, you'll find the large lens, the microphone, a built-in spotlight, and the motion detection sensors, which feature radar power detection with a range of up to 40 feet. The mounting threads are located on the back, while the USB-C port is positioned underneath. This port allows you to charge the camera directly or connect the external solar panel. This is also where the speakers are located. With its IP67 water resistant rating, the S3 Pro can easily withstand rain. It is also built to endure extreme temperatures, ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making this a reliable option for various climates. The S380 HomeBase Hub comes with 16GB of built-in storage, but this can be expanded up to a massive 16TB using a SATA SSD. I installed a 2TB drive on mine, which I got for a good deal. It's pretty simple to add the storage. Just remove the magnetic top cover, then there's a small screw you need to undo, then just simply lift this part here. This is the SSD bracket that holds your SSD. The provided screws were a little short for the SSD that I have, so I had to use my own one. Once installed, just slide this back in and push it in until you feel it get inserted. Then put the screw back on and the magnetic cover. Another great feature of the hub is the USB data port on the back, which allows you to connect a USB drive or an external drive to back up your video footage. Connecting the camera to the Eufy app was incredibly straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be set up in around 5 minutes. There is a sync button on the bottom left side here that you will need to press when the app tells you to. Now, depending on your internet speed and strength, jumping into the live view may be faster or slower for some of you. Right now I have this set up with one of my Google Wi-Fi points that is in my office, and this doesn't have the strongest connection. Also, I'm currently testing out the beta software of the app, so improvements can be expected after the release date of September 26. The Eufy app offers an auto mode for the live view, automatically adjusting between 720 and 4K depending on your internet connection. If you're placing the camera in an area with poor connectivity, you can set the live view to always display at the lowest resolution under the streaming quality. It's important to note that this only affects the live streaming and doesn't impact the quality of the recording stored on your home base. To adjust that recording resolution, go into the video settings for each camera. Under the recording quality section, you can choose resolutions ranging from 4K down to 1080p, depending on your preference. So it took me less than 10 minutes to mount both cameras. The included installation sticker guide was precise. It made it easy to mark where the host would go. If you remove the sticker carefully, it can be reused in case you need to reposition the cameras later on. These mounting brackets feel very sturdy. They are designed to support the heavier weight of the cameras. Attaching the camera is very simple. Just unscrew the base to access these screw holes, mount it securely, then attach this part to the back of the camera, and then this part to the bracket. And the last part is just to move the camera around to your preferred angle and then tighten it up. The video quality on this is impressive. It records 4K at 15 frames per second, which is pretty much the standard frame rate on most security cameras. This is equipped with a 1/1.8 inch CMOS sensor and an f1.0 aperture, meaning that the lens has a wide opening that allows more light to enter the sensor, which is ideal for excellent low light recording. The security camera also offers a generous 135-degree field of view, so it can cover a wider area without needing to be placed further back. The 4K resolution delivers stunning clarity and detail, far surpassing 1080p and 1440p, allowing you to capture everything with impressive sharpness. The camera has great color and contrast while maintaining a well-balanced exposure for consistently clear visuals throughout the video. The shadow areas aren't too dark while the highlights are not too blown out. A great thing about the S3 Pro security camera is that it starts recording almost instantly, within about half a second of detecting motion when someone enters its field of view. The best part is that the footage is sharp from the very first frame. There is no initial blur or yellowish tint, so you get an excellent image quality right from the start. The Pro detection features a dual motion detection system, combining radar and infrared technology to precisely detect human movement while significantly reducing false alerts. According to Eufy, this advanced system cuts false alarms by an impressive 99%. I've been using this for nearly 2 weeks, and so far, the detections have been spot on. The camera is equipped with 4 infrared LEDs and a powerful spotlight that illuminates up to 32.8 feet. It's more than bright enough to fully light up my driveway. However, I find that I don't need to use the spotlight since the low-light video quality is outstanding on its own with the max color vision. So there are 2 different modes you can set for the max color vision, plus there are 2 other night vision modes. For the max color vision, there's standard and daylight. Now, this is how dark it looks outside right now, and this is what it looks like with the security camera on the standard night vision. The nighttime footage is so clear that it almost looks like it was filmed during the day, close to evening hours. Now, this is what it looks like with the daylight mode on. So the video is enhanced and it looks brighter while maintaining a good balanced exposure, preventing highlights from being too overexposed. Now, this mode may slightly overexpose areas with very bright lighting or reflections, but it has been doing a very good job overall. For enhanced clarity, you can enable the spotlight, and a cool thing about the spotlight is that the light is dynamic, so the brightness intensity automatically adjusts itself according to how far away the subject is. I mainly keep the spotlight on as a deterrent to discourage anyone from attempting to enter or snoop around the driveway or entryway at night. You also have the option to go with just the infrared for a black and white image. I personally prefer the spotlight one since it gives you the best clarity and sharpness, and I also like the standard mode. So when you download the video to your phone, the compression is incredible. The footage that you are viewing is from what I downloaded to my phone from the HomeBase S380. So one of my favorite features on this camera is the cross-camera tracking. It's incredibly practical. Rather than manually checking each camera for events, the system seamlessly compiles them for you, saving you time and effort. The playback for the camera tracking does start at 4 times the speed, but you can slow it down to the normal speed in the app. And when you download the footage onto your phone, it will be at the normal speed without needing to adjust the speed. The Eufy app provides a snapshot of the people detected during each event, and the security report offers an insight into the visitors throughout the day. The summary section provides a weekly activity timeline, tracking both strangers and familiar faces, giving you a quick overview of who's been around your home. The Eufy S3 Pro also features Pro Audio with dual array microphones and AI noise reduction technology, which effectively filters out background noise for crystal clear voice quality. The audio delay on this is practically non-existent. It's almost instant from when you speak to when the person at your front door hears you. To start the two-way communication, simply tap on the phone icon and then tap it again to end the call. So up next is a quick speaker test.
Testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. This is a quick speaker test coming from the Eufy S3 Pro security camera. With the speaker volume currently set to 70%, this is what it sounds like. So yeah, this is a quick test, but let me know your thoughts on the audio quality in the comments section.
I have a package delivery for you.
Okay, thank you. Can you just leave it on the front door? Overall, the Eufy S3 Pro security camera kit is an excellent choice for a wireless security system. The 4K video quality is amazing for a security camera, especially at night. You get a high quality and clear image even in complete darkness. It's simple to set up, it has a stable connection, and a reliable video access through the app that also has an excellent compression when you download the videos to your phone. The larger integrated solar panel is a great feature, keeping the camera charged even on the most demanding days. I also appreciate the cross-tracking feature, which simplifies event filtering and saves time. However, I do wish the mounting brackets were height adjustable so that I could position them further from the stud. With that being said, I highly recommend the Eufy S3 Pro security camera for anyone looking to upgrade their home security. If you are interested in picking this up, I'll include a link in the description along with any available discount codes. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.